this fell off.
That's the name of your company on your back?
Frederick Mechanical. Oh shoot, there's Phillips. Okay.
You run a YouTube channel.
I have a little one.
What is it?
Just my name right now.
What kind of content?
Firearms, CB radios, toys, working around the farm, working in my garage.
Right.
Kind of like everyday in life thing, you know.
Nice range out back.
Yeah, I got one up the road too. I don't know if Vince come in up the road or not. I have a shooting bench that gets out over the hollow for trap shooting.
The firearms recreational or hunting or combat?
Just recreational. I haven't hunted in years. I had a back injury, and the time I walk to where I'm going to hunt, my back starts hurting. I got to come home, you know.
Yep. Okay, there's two more in this. And we'll go to put that front back on.
That's a complete overhaul. Huh?
Oh yeah, we're redoing everything. Yeah, we'll get that returned up and in good shape.
Like I said, I was dying and only had one arm when I put that in there.
Now we're gonna get that big box.
Get your name real nice on the back of your shirt there.